Good morning from Tucson. I mean, good morning for me. Let's just say that. Not, okay. We'll change that. Morning for me. I don't know about good. It's 12:41. I've been up for about an hour and a half. That's it. The reason is, last night I hooked everything up like I normally do and turned the water on, and I'm doing something outside. I don't remember what. Just whatever I normally do when I'm setting up. And I look and there is water pouring out of my RV. Broke a water line under the sink, flooded the thing. I was in there trying to dry it out all night long. I got it pretty well dry by about 5-6 a.m. around there. I'm going to pick up, I'm going to go see if I can find a Sharkbite to fit in place of this. It's a 90. I'm pretty sure they make them. And, oh, I gotta find my pecs and crimpers too. So it said my new keys were delivered for the Honda, but they're not anywhere to be found. So I have to go to the post office now. And I'm going to Ace Hardware. It's closest by. What else? I have to get my pills at the pharmacy. I got the part for the Vapor Canister for this. So I got some projects coming up. It's probably going to be the next couple videos of projects. I don't know. As you can see, I'm wearing yesterday's shirt because I'm not putting a clean shirt on me when I'm dirty. And I'm going to be getting this thing really dirty. Probably changing that gas part, the canister. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Well, I got the parts I need for the water line, the parts I need to fix this. Once I get this fixed, I have to immediately take it for emissions because I only have a 30-day tag on here. And now I saw a sign for a free car wash. I don't know how well you can see just how bad it is, but I'm going to go and see what the free car wash is all about. Well, the way the free car wash works at the Superstar Car Wash is you can get one free car wash of soap and water. That's it. And I've already soaped and watered this, and it didn't do anything besides leave soap scum. So for $9.99, you get a month's worth of free car washes with everything, hot wax and everything. So I did a $9.99. I can just cancel after the month. So for $10, I get free car washes for 30 days. I guess before I go in, I just want to see if it shows up. It really doesn't show up as dirty as it actually. You can see it now in the dark. Yeah, it's pretty bad. We'll leave the camera on. You guys can pretend you're getting your car washed. How about I gotta tip these guys? A lot of money. It's going to take all my magnets off and stickers and everything. It's brushes. I bet you my temporary license plate, my magnets and everything are going to be laying right behind the car on the ground. That's a good one. I just watched the fly off. Stupid of me. I should have taken them off. stinks. I lost my, when it comes to locks, I'm a bit picky magnet. Darn. Nice and clean windshield though. I also don't see my spare tire cover back here. I'll check it at CVS. Well, that stayed. The license plate, but that was a belted tire cover's gone. The magnet's gone. These stayed on, but they're coming off. All right, the water line is fixed. I can get a shower, yay. Before I do that, I got to put this piece in. That's the vapor canister. It's gonna go under here. I'm gonna pull that wheel off, see what I'm working with. I'm gonna pull that out and plug it.